Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to find out all the system values error in one list. Okay, the thing is, whenever we import uh, some elements from other file or xref or some fatal error or AutoCAD some error, it will affect the system values. So it will cause our workflow, right? Okay. Anyway, I'll show you how to do it, and you can find out all the system value, and also in one click you can reset all the things. So it's a simple. First thing, make sure you subscribe our channel, and I'll make more tips for the AutoCAD and rivets. So okay. For the system value monitor, you can just type sys and for variable var and monitor. Okay, then enter system variable monitor. So sys for system variable or var and monitor. Enter. So it will show you a window with all the variables here. Okay, and also you can edit the list. You can if some, because typically it will not be everything in the first list, so you can add from here. You can just select and tick here, so it will add on the list. Okay, so I'm always preferring to add everything in list, so we'll find out easily. So you can find out all the things, and these are no error. Wherever we have this symbol, that means it has error, right? So it's a simple. You can just click this one, reset all. So all the problem, all the system value problem solved. You can see these are tick. So that means it's solved. So then click OK. Then job done. So in one click, all the system value problems we find out, and all the system value problem we solved in one click. I think you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe. Bye bye. See you on next video.